You are probably killing your Upwork profile. In a couple of years, if you want to get any freelance job, it's probably because of mistakes you make today. Your Upwork profile is a priceless asset and an enormous investment, both financially, since it driving leads to your business, but also timeless, since it might take years to gather portfolio, feedback, and certifications. So many freelancers invest their time and energy to see that it brings next to no clients. They end up quitting and complaining on X that Upwork is so crowded. My name is Anton. I rely on Upwork as my primary source of income. Moreover, I started an agency here, so I want to be sure that I'm setting myself up for a long time of success. That's why I try to spot the things I'm doing wrong before things get even worse. So what are the major threats to the long-term success of your Upwork account? Threat number 1. Highly skilled freelancers are coming for your job. Regardless of the reason, skilled professionals more often go full-time freelance. According to the Freelance Forward 2022 Upwork report, 43% of all Gen Z professionals and 46% of all millennial professionals performed freelance work. Another confirmation from the report is that the number of freelancers with post-grad education is growing and now comprises 26%. So the argument, "but I used to win jobs, it's just a recession, it will recover," isn't working. The bar is constantly rising. You need to create your personal educational plan, work on your hard and soft skills. You already have the advantage of being early in the world's biggest work marketplace. All you need to do is to set the right mindset for lifelong education. The compound effect is a powerful thing. By making time for several modules per year, you always will be ahead of your competitors. The next one might be expected. Threat number 2. AI is coming for your job. AI probably won't directly replace your job, but freelancers who know how to leverage AI will likely win the competition. Let me give you a couple of examples from my niche of video post-production. In our work, we already use AI audio enhancer from Adobe and the multi-camera AI editor Autopod. Also, we use Grammarly AI for all our text and several AI apps to add subtitles and trim pauses. I also use vidIQ to generate tags and video descriptions. There are many more use cases, but taking into account what I mentioned above, it already saves me a lot of precious work time. So you either adopt AI in your workflow or let your competitors use this advantage. Threat number 3. Influencers are coming for your job. We live in an influencer economy. The value of social capital outweighs all the other forms of recognition. Some freelancers understand the benefits and turn into YouTube experts. Actually, you can choose any social media you are inclined to. TikTok, Instagram, X. Obviously, you can disagree with me that influencers are coming for your job. Well, speaking from my personal experience, a massive part of my clients confirmed that they decided to work with me because of my YouTube channel. And now, unlike my competitors, I always fully booked 2 weeks ahead. What is this if not unfair advantage? That's all from me for now. Tell me in the comments how dangerous all this threat for your future job, with a scale from 0 to 10. If you find this video helpful, I appreciate your likes and comments. They help promote the video to reach more freelancers and help them grow. More tips you can get if you watch the video with 3 secret hacks for Upwork proposals.